Wow, ang gaganda, B! Oh, I like this one. It really captured the essence of the song. Yung, they are aiming for international audience now. And malaki na yung Beanie, hindi lang. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Jamaica, and for today, meron naman tayong bagong reaction video. And today, we are going to react to the Nations Girl Group themselves. We are going to react to Beanie! We are going to react sa kanilang pinakabagong song, which is Blink Twice. And narinig ko na yung teaser nito, and I'm very, very excited dahil I think it's very catchy, especially yung nirelease nilang snippet sa TikTok. So I'm very, very excited for this. Kaya wag na natin itong patagalin. Let's get into the video. Let's go! Oh, the TV. Wow, ang gaganda, B! Ang ganda ni Maloy. Oh, it's very futuristic. Oh.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it.
Wait lang. Alam niyo, ang ganda-ganda talaga ni Stacy kapag siya yung nag-o-open ng song. Talagang yung voice niya is very, alam mo yun, parang makukuha niya attention mo agad. So, it's very good na siya yung nilagay sa very first verse. So, I'm very excited for this. And ang nakikita ko dito sa music video, parang it reminds me of Girls' Generation's Mr. Mister, if you guys know that. So, yeah.
Baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy,
Sheena.
Trying my best not to step up on your landline. Let's have some fun with it.
Ganda ni beats ni Aya, be. Maloy!
Almost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that, if you like to blink twice, or you know you're nice.
Ooh, I love to dance.
If you try to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice.
Oh.
He's not even thinking about me.
Ang ganda ng song kasi it's very catchy. Di ba nga, kahit hindi pa nare-release tong song na to, nag-trending na siya agad sa TikTok. So, yeah, ang ganda. Tapos yung sayaw din nila ang ganda. I'm so excited to see yung mga dance challenge sa TikTok and how Beanie will again capture the hearts of the people in TikTok and of course their fans. Uy! May pa-change ng damit. Oh! I like this one. My dark and light side. Wow! Ang ganda ni Kulit, be.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you try to roll the dice.
Ganda talaga ni Maloy, be. Siya po yung yung bias ko, if you guys don't know. At yung hindi pa halata. Very catchy. Ganda ni Aya, be.
Then just blink twice. If you
Ganda ni Joanna, oh.
like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice.
Ang ganda ng mga hat nila, bet na bet.
He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking.
Nakakasayaw yung sayaw, be. Ay, yung tugtog. Oh, I love it.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Bongga! I super love that. And I love ngayon ko lang napansin na magkaiba na yung hair ni ni Mika. Dun sa lighter version, red yung hair niya. Tapos pagdating dito sa darker version, yung current hairstyle na niya, which is dark brown or black. Ang ganda, be! I super love it. Gaganda nila. Everyone is so pretty. Okay, so I want to see kung sino yung nag-compose and everything. Meron na ba tayong ano dyan? More? Let's see more. Fun pop song about trying to figure out if your crush likes you back. With a catchy beat and relatable lyrics, it captures the excitement and confusion of waiting for a sign like Simple Blink to know if they feel the same. Yes. Actually, yun yung mafe-feel mo dun sa song, yung parang high school kind of vibes, na parang alam mo yun, nag-aantay ka dun sa hallway, tapos parang inaantay mo yung crush mo dumaan, and parang nagfi-feeling ka kung crush mo ba siya, crush ka ba niya, MU ba kayo, ganun. Parang ganun yung vibes na nila-let out nitong song na to. So, it really captured the essence of the song, yung music video, and yung vibes nila, like, so fresh. Okay. Composed by, Amanda Ratchford, Pacific Joshua Zagabe, Pontus Com. I think, ito yata yung sinasabi nila na ang gumawa ng song nila is international. And even though I love the songs na Taglish, and gusto-gusto ko talaga, ang favorite song ko ng Bini is Salamin Salamin. Dahil nandun yung, meron, Tagalog siya and English, and parang, basta sobrang ganda, tas ang ganda rin ng music video. Nung napanood ko yun, talagang gandang-ganda ako, and ilang beses ko pinaulit-ulit Tapos, Pantropico, of course, The Legend. Ang ganda nung kanta nila na yon. And I know, I've seen some rants sa Twitter na bakit daw, sa Twitter or sa Facebook na bakit daw English na naman. And I think that this is very strategic kasi they are aiming for international audience now. And malaki na yung Bini, hindi lang siya dito sa Philippines. They are going global. So I think it's just very good that they decided to go for an English song para mas may ma-reach sila na iba pang audience besides sa Filipino. So yeah, sobrang ganda nun. And I love the music video too. And ano pa ba? Ano pa ba meron dito? Ayun. Sobrang ganda. I super love it. And, yeah. This video's verse of the day is Proverbs chapter 3, verse 3. It says, "Let not steadfast love and faithfulness forsake you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart." From the past year, I can clearly see that there is somewhat improvement on my attitude in how I look at things. And I know that reading the Bible and allotting my time to God plays a huge role on it. Because there are many bad thoughts that left my mind in a day simply because God was able to correct me at the very same day. Simply because I allowed myself to be corrected. And this just proves how important that 1 or more hours for God every day. To take your time and bask in God's presence and to truly talk to Him and with Him. And those corrections and insights will be deeply engraved in your heart in the hopes that for that next time, you'll know what to do and know who to call God. So I guess that's that. So I guess that's that for this video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, click the like button down below and also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell down below para ma-notify kayo every time I'm going to post a new video. And you can also comment down below what you guys think about this video, what you guys think about Bini's new song, Blink Twice, and their music video. And just comment it down below para makapag-usap tayo and we can converse with each other. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
Give you some advice. If you let me blink twice,